Early weekend winter storm is winding down, but we're still under a winter storm warning until about 3 o'clock in the morning. Reason why, we still have a little lingering light snowfall right now, or even some freezing drizzle trying to mix in with that. Plus, those blustery winds haven't quit quite yet. All of this may lead into some slick roads going into early Sunday before we finally see things clear on up. Total ice accumulations from last night into early this morning got up to almost 1/10 of an inch for Rockford. Some spots in the state line, like Freeport, nearly 1/3 of an inch of ice. So it was widely varying across the state line just based off of how much rain you got and how early the cold air got in. That resulted in plenty of trouble across the area this morning. And then we threw a light layer of snow on top of that. The satellite radar now showing just a few flurries lingering behind the departing weather system. Again, there could be some freezing drizzle mixing in with that. A little too light for radar to catch at times. So the result is still looking at the possibility of slick roads for a couple more hours. However, these flurries should be done within an hour and will be dry then the rest of the night. Main weather system has now departed. The center of this was well over towards Ohio, so we had plenty of showers wrapping around this. Because this storm system tracks so far to the east, it dragged all of the very heavy snow totals away from us and allowed us to not see quite as much snow as what we were thinking much earlier on. So on future tracks, still looking at again some lingering very light showers through about the next hour. Then we're drying out from there. We'll continue to be dry going into Sunday itself. We also are looking for those blustery winds to die on down. Gusts only up to about 25 miles per hour currently. Still windy enough to cause some blowing snow, so be very careful if you do have to go out very late tonight. But by early tomorrow morning, these winds will be history. We'll have a much lighter breeze for Sunday and not as many issues as a result of the blustery conditions. Here's a live look downtown. State and Main Street showing possibly still some wet or somewhat slushy roads, so not completely cleaned yet, but the road crews have done an excellent job in some spots around the state line, keeping those roads nice and clear as the snow came on through, so things aren't looking quite as icy as they were earlier on today, and that snow departing is definitely going to help keep those roads clean. Breezy winds dying down. We'll see a low of 14 degrees tomorrow, near average 29, partly cloudy, but as you can see, there is a chance for a little more snowfall going into tomorrow evening, so we'll have to keep a close eye on that, as well as further rounds coming later this week. So we're not quite done with wintry weather yet. A whole separate storm comes in and may just graze the area. An inch or less expected for snowfall accumulation. Slight chance for freezing drizzle with that. Either way, possibility of slick roads going into early Monday morning, despite the very light amounts. Early preview at Future Track shows possible flurries by about 6 o'clock. Main weather system, though, tracking off to our north. We may get grazed with this around about 9 o'clock or so, with just enough snow to cause, again, up to about half an inch of snowfall before that exits after midnight. We then have dry conditions going into Monday. Beyond that, active pattern continues early Tuesday. Chance for some light rain, even a little snow mixing in. Wednesday could have some light snow showers. Then keeping an eye on Friday into Saturday. Long-range outlook does show the possibility of some heavier snow and rain. Temperatures also dancing around up to 40 on Tuesday, down to 18 by Thursday. Dan?
All right, Alex, thank you so much.